Exactly. Crochet only? Crochet. Gotcha. Crochet very fun. Yeah. Always. Ah. There's a little sign on the ground. It's local art and then it's fantastic.
Because so like most people would just do like this and try to
We might have to go back by there.
lay it where it goes first, and then you work it in. That should solve all your problems. You're welcome.
I think you'll see.
Hi.
Man, I wish I could just bring home like
Yeah, once you get it, like crown tiny, it just feels less intimidating.
I would do so great.
Yeah, like that's where it gets a little crazy, but definitely.
Yeah,
No, but it's like I actually like you. You know what I mean? It's not like, oh, I could bear him. It's like, I think we could actually fucking like love living with him. Yeah. Oh my god. You have my number, right? I think so.
He clearly has.
Oh.
I got something for you. Oh, here.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Yeah, haven't seen you since.
I know. I've just been, you know, when it's cold outside, I cannot be outside.
I know. Well, tomorrow is the weather's supposed to change, but
Yeah, like colder. You mean?
yeah, I think we're.
Really?
Yeah, it's like in the
So
40s or
I will
something.
stay home tomorrow.
Yeah, I was thinking I better get out and do some filming. Here you go
Oh, thank you so much.
for you and Phil.
Oh, mushroom
It's
coffee.
5
Wow.
different types of mushrooms in there.
Yeah.
And I didn't think I was gonna like it. I got me some, and it actually tastes like coffee. I don't know how they do it,
Oh, okay.
but it's good
Cool.
for you unless you're allergic to mushrooms.
No, I love mushrooms. So thank you so much.
Yeah, good to see you.
Good to see you. We have a show tonight, actually. Not my show, like my studio mate show.
Oh yeah,
Yeah. So if you're free,
the one I've been to before.
Yeah, it's Eric's. So he will have the dancer have 2 galleries, right? So
Yeah.
he'll have one of the galleries.
It's like it's got what 2.5 floors in that place, right?
2.5 floors?
Kind of like an attic area that
Yeah,
they
but
turned
he's
it.
gonna show downstairs.
Yeah.
Like yeah. So I think because he's leaving the studio, so this is gonna be like his goodbye show.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So if you are free, yeah,
Might be
come
gonna have a
by.
fire sale.
Maybe.
We'll see you.
See you.
They're all. I love your hoodies. So
I like rose.
how many places where flowers bloom and shit.
I moved this I didn't want to like. Getting that workout, man. Oh, you're fine. That's
Hi. How are you?
How are you?
Good.
Yes.
Good to see you.
dot top thing. Yeah, which is like pretty cool. I thought about getting one. Maybe like a business card or like.
She got here. And they call it vigil.
Good morning.
Welcome to my jewelry line.
Thank you.
and stuff that I haven't done a really good job of highlighting, so I'm gonna try to do that. But,
Yeah, bro, basically. There were some people along the way that were kind of on the way there.
Wow. All right, thank you. It's nothing. Free.
And I didn't know I didn't know how it would turn out because I had a gold one and I had a bronze one. The bronze one was I got that.
His girlfriend's living here.
Hey, Alec.
Personalized webby lines. There's nothing I can help.
It is so pretty.
I don't know why I did not see what it did. But the hike was probably like pretty cool. Like I was like
fully present, just like walking
yeah,
landscape.
yeah, bro. Check, you know, obviously got the Strava
50%
going.
of the birds crawl.
Obviously got the Strava going. I like that
How's it
mount,
going,
sir.
man?
That's a great mount.
Oh, thanks, man. Yeah,
I like that.
I can put it here too.
Oh, the Falconeer mount.
Yeah.
I like that. Is that just magnetic?
Yeah, it's all magnet. Yeah, you can adjust it and stuff, but
That's cool.
here it's
Oh,
little.
is that also magnetic? Or like...
Yeah, it's
that's nice.
There's like a plate under your shirt.
Oh.
yeah, it's just a magnet.
Wow.
Magic.
That's tech. I like that.
Anyway.
That's fire, sir.
Y'all with the Savannah Photo Club?
Reynolds.
Yeah, no Reynolds. I seen Reynolds there.
Oh, you know Reynolds?
I've only been to two.
Photo walks?
The last two photo walks.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think I was at the last one.
Yeah, you were.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
I
I
was
think
like,
you
I
were
definitely
also when we met at the laundry diner, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, you were there too.
Yeah.
But we met at the coffee shop, Perk Coffee, I think?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's right.
Yeah.
No longer working there, but yes.
Yeah. It was fun.
And is this just like a clip that you have? Like it just can clip
Yeah.
on and off?
Yeah, you can take it on and off.
Okay, yeah.
I made this.
You made it.
So I took kind of a Frankenstein. I took a clip
Okay.
off something else,
Yeah.
and I bought another one of these,
Okay.
Yeah.
and I just glued it on there.
Wow.
Oh.
So I've kind of made my own little rig, but
Yeah.
they probably sell them. I don't know.
Yeah, but that's cooler. That's bad.
I mean, yeah, that's pretty sturdy too.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
not going anywhere.
Yeah.
You got to be careful online because some of these things, I don't know, they're proud of them. They charge like a lot of money.
Yeah.
And they're just
You know.
some of them may just be 3D printed slop.
Yeah,
No,
that's true.
It's not super sturdy.
Well, this is kind of slop, but it works.
But it looks sturdy though.
Yeah,
Yeah.
See, when you put that thing on there, it's not going anywhere.
Oh, it's not gonna. It doesn't. No, it doesn't even slide. See all those teeth?
Yeah.
Exactly.
But
I'm
it's
like,
got a lot of teeth on there. But
I don't know. I hope I don't like
sometimes though, I gotta be careful because when I have it up here, sometimes if I too robust and taking off my backpack, it'll go flying.
Oh, true. Yeah, true. Oh, yeah. Have a great day, sir.
Yeah, we'll see ya.
Thank you so much. Did you want something?
I want a card. I'm on the way here on.
Morning, how are you?
Good. I like the pipe smoking lumberjack.
Thank you. Thank you.
I want to find out for me because I don't want to keep having to. Funds are available.
I'm going to the bathroom real quick. You guys want to walk in the junkie?
The guy said it's basically that, but without the pineapple in it. Oh my God, Juno, we're back.
And how do you want to taste? Set. Do you ever do any acting? No. Like you're from Atlanta. So then I had to like screw my bag for cash. Your eyes in front of you so you don't fall.
See that kid burnt right there?
Didn't he eventually die?
In just about 4 years, but I had
Yeah, I just ended up getting him like golf pants.
But I love his